In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Canva website to Squarespace. We're going to take a website design you built in Canva and display it inside a Squarespace page using Canva's embed code and a code block in Squarespace. This method is quick and visual. And it's great when you want to keep designing in Canva while showing the result on your Squarespace site. Start by opening your website design in Canva. Make sure you are looking at the design you want to show on Squarespace, because the code you'll copy points directly to this design. In the top right, click Share, then select More to open the sharing options. Find the Embed option and choose it. Canva will generate an HTML embed code. Click to copy that code to your clipboard. This little block of HTML is what tells Squarespace where to load your Canva website and how to display it. Now switch over to Squarespace and open your site. Navigate to the page where you want the Canva website to appear. Then click Edit. You'll be in the page editor, which lets you add content blocks. Click Add Block. Scroll until you find Code and add a code block to the exact spot you want your Canva design to sit. The code block is designed for custom HTML, so it's perfect for this. Inside the code block, select the code snippet option and paste the HTML you copied from Canva. If you see any placeholder text, replace it completely with your Canva embed code. Give it a moment to load. It can take a second for Squarespace to fetch the design preview from Canva. Once it appears, you'll see your Canva website right inside the page. From here, you can adjust how it looks in your layout. Click the edges or corners of the block and drag to resize it so it fits the section or column you are using. A wider block will make the embedded site feel more spacious, while a narrower one can help it sit nicely alongside other content. If it looks cropped, try expanding the block area to give the embed more room. That's it. Thanks for watching.